Hello young artist and welcome to our super fun drawing journey. Today, we're diving into the world of shapes, and we've got a special one in store for you, the fantastic square. Get your pencils ready, because we're about to draw some awesome squares. Step 1, start with a dot. This will be our guide. Now, draw a straight line upwards. Then one to the right. Another down. And finally, one to the left. Connect the last point to the first, and ta-da! You've got a square. Don't worry if your square isn't perfect like this. Remember, every drawing is unique and wonderful in its own way. Now, let's see what we can transform this square into. With just a few more lines, we can turn this square into something magical. Extend 2 lines from the top corners. Add 2 slanting lines for the roof. A rectangle for the door. And window with smaller square. And ta-da, look at that house. And that's a wrap, young artists. With just a single square, you can create amazing things. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to practice your square drawing skills. Until next time, keep creating and imagining. Bye for now, little Picassos.